Taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, a simple skincare routine can be both effective and easy to follow. Start with cleansing. Choose a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or combination. Cleanse your face twice a day to remove dirt and impurities. Next, consider toning. A toner can help balance your skin's pH and prepare it for the next steps. After toning, it's time for moisturizer. Even if you have oily skin, don't skip this step. A lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer will keep your skin hydrated without clogging pores. Lastly, sunscreen is essential. Apply a broad-spectrum SPF of at least 30 every morning, even on cloudy days. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to this simple routine, and you'll notice healthier, more radiant skin over time. It's all about nurturing your skin with the basics. Keep it simple, and your skin will thank you.